Hello viewers, if you are a content creator, then this video is going to be helpful. In this video, I will edit 4K 60 FPS video on iPad 11th generation using InShot video editing app. iPad 11th generation comes with A16 Bionic chipset, which is very powerful. I will add some 4K 60 FPS footages in this editing app. These footages have been taken from iPhone 17's camera. I will add some transitions and also I will add some text, and then I will edit and also add a music. Many viewers have already requested me to make a video on 4K 60 FPS video editing on iPad 10th generation. I have taken some random shots. I will split them because it will create a very good effect, and then I will add many transition one by one. If you are using InShot video editing app with paid version, in that case you will get many customization features such as many transitions are there. Also you can make use of AI voices if you don't want to share or record your voice. After that I will add a text, as this video is from my tour to Jharkhand, so I will write tour to Jharkhand. Also you can customize the text by adding various types of colors. Also you can adjust the font size and you can change the font size and the font style also, and also you can add animation to your text. Now my video editing is almost done. I will add a music. You can use various music from YouTube audio library. Various free musics are there that doesn't require any attributes. Actually most of the tablet lags when you use PIP video, so I will add another PIP video on top of these videos or clips. So I will select the same footage, that is 4K 60 FPS footage. As it is a long footage, it is taking some time to reload. Now I will edit this PIP video. I will just decrease the volume level of this footage, and then after I will cut this footage short. Now my editing is almost complete. I will select 4K 60 FPS. You can see the size is about 556 MB and it is a footage of about 2 minutes and 9 seconds, and the time you can see is 10:31 PM, and it will take time. So I will tell you how much time does it take to render in 4K 60 FPS. So it took around 3 to 4 minutes to render 4K 60 FPS footages of 2 minutes and 9 seconds. So ultimately it succeeded in rendering the footage. Now I will go to gallery app and then I will select the footage that I have rendered just now, and I will play, and you can see that it is playing without any lag or any hiccups or stutter. So if you are a content creator, in that case this is the best tablet or iPad that you can buy right now under the price point of 30,000 rupees. At this price point, no Android tablet can beat this in content creation, in video editing or in gaming. Now watch the final content that I have made. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.